Hello everyone. Through this YouTube video, I would like to share the journey of online platform for the students of Life Sciences Botany for you. During last year, that is from 7th May 2020 to 6th May 2021. As per the regulations of YouTube channel, it will need 1000 subscribers and 4000 of watch hours, which are successfully overcome by our YouTube channel. If you are interested to know the success story of YouTube channel, then this is right video for you. And also this will reflect the light on contribution of various speakers from India and abroad who have delivered the lectures through this online platform for the students of Life Sciences Botany for you during last year. If you are from life science subjects like the botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, etc., then you can visit our website www.botanyforyou.com to become a member and to work with us through this YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, we will see the success story of the channel in the form of annual review along with the tips and tricks to new YouTube creators. Myself, Dr. PITAMBAR HUMANE, founder Botany for You and working as Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Dharampeth MP Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. Welcome you all in this online platform for the students of Life Sciences Botany for You. If you are new to this YouTube channel or not yet subscribed, then kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also press a bell icon for the alerts of every lecture to be uploaded on this YouTube channel on different titles in Life Sciences. The upcoming lectures in these 2 months will be on MCQs type of the questions based upon UG and PG syllabi of the various universities across the India. So let's see first of all the aims and objectives of our YouTube channel Botany for You. To strengthen teaching learning practices in life sciences. If you see the first video, then you will find that the main aim of the channel is to strengthen the teaching learning practices, and COVID-19 pandemic provide this opportunity through this YouTube channel. So whenever you are going to create your own channel, then these different things are very much important. Then to prepare the database in the subject in the form of different lectures through the expertise available in and around the nation. Then to develop the life learning resource so that after even so many years, this data which will be created on the YouTube channel will be available to the different stakeholders in and around the nation. Then study resource in UG and PG for life science students from the different subjects, so that whenever any student need any difficulty, he or she can visit our YouTube channel and find out the different lectures which is required for the better understanding. Then preparation of CSIR UGC NET JRF LS examination, and already there are 85 lectures available on our YouTube channel. Then career opportunities through life sciences in research as well as the other educational institutes. Then research opportunities in India and abroad. Then personality development through the different stakeholders which are working in the field of psychology in our country. Then communication skills, which is one of the most important factor in any profession, and for that there is a need of the best communication skills also. So all these different lectures are also made available during last 1 year of this YouTube channel. And then the MCQs in life sciences, which are most important right from the students who are preparing for the NEET examination, or even the students who are appearing for the different online examinations with the subject life sciences. And even because of the COVID-19 pandemic, the universities are also engaged in conducting the online examination, so that through this MCQ type of the series, the most of the students are getting a benefit of this one, and this is a continuous activity which will be carried out in upcoming years. Then the most important thing in the YouTube channel success, and that is nothing but subscribers. And the second most important, that is a watch time hours. If anyone has created the YouTube channel, then he or she knows there is need of the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours for the monetization. And I am happy to share with you, within span of 1 year, we have 3327 subscribers received, and now it is 3370. Also, within 1 year, we received 5281 watch time hours, which is much bigger than 4000 hours of the YouTube, and now it is 5.5 thousand. Then the total views in the last 1 year is 80,250, and now it is more than 82,000. Most of the videos are liked by the different viewers from the life sciences, and the percentage of likes on the different YouTube's videos is from 96 to 100%. The comments and the shares are few, and they are not analyzed because there is not the such type of any automatic system on the YouTube channel. Then impressions means how much times your videos are shown to the viewers, and that is 7,59,281 times. And on the basis of the impression, the CTR, that is click through rate, is to be identified, and the overall channel CTR is 3.05%. And if we see the different videos which are available on our YouTube channel, that has 1.0 to 10.68 CTR value, and it is much better CTR within only a 1 year span of the YouTube channel. As there are the many speakers from India and abroad have delivered their lectures through this YouTube channel, and so there is a contribution of 101 speakers, which includes me as a founder, 4 founder members, 6 life members of Botany for You. There are some other members who has not yet delivered any lecture or contributed any video in the YouTube channel, and 90 other speakers from India and abroad who have delivered the lectures through this channel. Till today, there are 161 lectures available on the various titles of the life sciences. In addition to that, the other videos, which includes the introductory remarks, introduction to guest speakers, messages, valedictory speeches, vote of thanks, and concluding the remarks, etc. such 60 videos are available on our YouTube channel. So in this way, there are 221 total videos were uploaded in last 1 year span of the channel. Now the lectures which are available on our YouTube channel, that includes the career opportunities in life sciences and even the postgraduate opportunities in education in the life sciences. Then career opportunities in research in India and abroad in life sciences. Then scholarship and or fellowship available in India and abroad for the education in life sciences. Then career opportunities in bar. This is the most success or highly viewed lecture on the YouTube channel. Then career opportunities in nanotechnology. Then lectures on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS. Already I told you there are around 85 lectures available on the CSIR UGC NET syllabus. Then entrepreneurship development in life sciences like the sericulture, apiculture, then vermicomposting and mushroom cultivation. Even some other titles on this topic will be brought in upcoming future. Then career opportunities through competitive examinations, right from the railways, banking, staff selection commission, then MPSC, UPSC. So these are the different competitive examinations which are conducted by the various authorities from the local, state and the national level. So these lectures were also made available in last 1 year. Then the lectures based upon the personality development, communication skills, and later on in the last, a lecture series in angiosperm taxonomy were initiated by me. As I am working in the angiosperm taxonomy since last 15 years, till today 17 lectures are made available in the last year, and in upcoming future I will try to make the videos or the lectures on this topic which will cover the whole UG and PG syllabi, and even this will be helpful to every stakeholder in the plant sciences. In addition to that, there are the 6 most successful videos on MCQ type of the questions in botany which are based upon RTM Nagpur University syllabus for the UG. Then we will see here the annual review with respect to the views, means what is the contribution of the different speakers as well as the members in different categories. First we will see the views. If you see the total views in the last year, that is more than 80,000. Here the data is given month wise, that is from May 20 to May 21. So it was highest in May 20 and again almost similar in the April 21. So there was a fluctuation, but then also in July 2020 it was better, in August again it was better, in December 2020 again it was better, and the best response were found again in the April 21, and again in the May 2021, that is in this month, again only within 6 days the views was around the 4,000. So in this way we can say that though there is a fluctuation, but there is a continuous support from the different viewers through our YouTube channel. Then the second one, that is the view with respect to the contribution by the different members of the Botany for You along with the different speakers who are associated with us, which includes myself, that is Pitambar Humane, having the views more than 32,000, then the contribution by the Nishikant Vase more than 3,000, then Deepak Koche, Kiran Randive, Tushar Wankhede having the watch hours around 2,500 plus, then Sanjay Jambudkar, Nitin Labhane having from in between 2,000 to 2,500, then Nitin Vigne, and the 2 days international webinar were organized, and both these were watched, that is around the 1,000. So here the individual contribution along with the webinar is considered having the views more than 1,000. If you see the contribution individually with respect to the particular lectures, means which lecture is viewed most of time, on that basis the lectures were sorted, and those lectures which are almost more than 1,000 viewed are considered here. So you will find that these 2 lectures, that is, one is the lecture on plant physiology and another is intro of botany for you. So these 2 are viewed more than 3,000 times. So this is around 3,500 times and this is 3,300 times. So first one, second one, third one, these lectures are given by myself. The fourth one, that is by the Kiran Randive, which is viewed around 2,500 view. Then again myself, then from Dr. Sanjay Jambudkar sir, who is a senior scientist from BARC. This lecture is also very much viewed lecture in the channel. Then again the lecture by me, then another, then Nishikant Vase, the lecture was viewed more than 1,500. Then again there are the 2 main lectures. Then Dr. Nitin Vigne, this lecture is viewed more than 1,200. Then again the lecture by Dr. Nishikant Vase, this lecture is also viewed more than 1,000, and the 2 lectures from the international webinar. So this is the sequence of different lectures which are viewed more than 1,000 on YouTube channel. On academic titles, the 1,000 view is a big one, and hence these are most important lectures which are contributed in the growth of the YouTube channel. Then the second most, that is the total number of lectures or the videos which are contributed by the different stakeholders from the members as well as the others. So here from my side there is an addition of more than 48 lectures or the videos available, which includes the 26 lectures. Then Deepak Koche, Ujjwala Lande, Ganga, then these 3 having 4 lectures, then Shubham Rathod, Rahul Patil, then Nitya Dharni, Amit Ballani, Jasmine Lena, Savita Mishra, Deepa Chauhan, they have contributed 3 lectures in last year. Then Nishikant Vase, Tushar Wankhede and Nitin Labhane, they have contributed 2 lectures, and Dr. Nitin Vigne have contributed again 2 lectures. So this is a contribution in the form of different lectures in last 1 year. Then if we see the watch time hours, which is the most important factor in monetization of the YouTube channel. So if we see the contribution by the different lectures which are combined together and a individual contribution in the watch time hours. So myself, that is Pitambar Humane, having the watch time hours more than 2200, then Sanjay Jambudkar around around 250 hours, then Nishikant Vase, this is also more than 200. Then the webinar, that is the international webinar, day 2 and day 1, then Kiran Randive and rest of the all. So from this onwards, 100 or less watch time hours are contributed by Nitin Vigne, Tushar Wankhede, Nitin Labhane, Amishi Arora, Mohan Hardas, Deepak Koche, Rahul Patil, Amit Ballani and Siddesh Savardekar sir. So these are the contribution by the different speakers with respect to the watch time hours. Then watch time hours which are contributed by the individual lectures of the different speakers, which includes first one, second one of me, then third one Sanjay Jambudkar, then fourth one, fifth one, sixth one again of main lectures, then the international webinar 2, then Nishikant Vase, then Kiran Randive, again main lecture, Nitin Vigne, again main lecture, then Nishikant Vase, Amishi Arora, Mohan Hardas, then main lecture, then Tushar Wankhede and Siddesh Savardekar. So here the watch time hours, which is more than 50 hours, are considered with respect to the individual lecture delivered by a particular speaker. So if you see, this is a complete scenario that the first one, which is now more than 400 hours of watch to the lecture which is delivered earlier on the plant physiology. So in this way, here we can understand the contribution in watch time hours by the different speakers. Then, as we have seen, there are more than 3,327 subscribers in last 1 year. So the contribution by the different speakers in subscribers of the YouTube channel. The first one, that is the founder Botany for You, that is myself, who has contributed around 1150 subscribers through the different lectures delivered by me. Then the subscribers received by the channel during the channel surfing, which are 1000. Then subscribers contributed by the lecture delivered by Dr. Sanjay Jambudkar sir, which is around 150. Then Kiran Randive around 100 plus. Then Nishikant Vase 50 plus, and Deepak Koche, Tushar Wankhede, Nityadharni, then Nitin Labhane, then the international webinar and by the Ajay Kumar Mishra. So these are more than 52 less. So in this way, this is a contribution by different speakers and the members of Botany for You. Then if you see the subscription with respect to the particular lectures which are delivered through the YouTube channel, which includes the Pitambar Humane, me, then Sanjay Jambudkar sir, then again main lecture, then Kiran Randive, then continuously there were the main lecture which are contributed in the edition of subscription in the YouTube channel. Then day 1, that is international webinar. Then Ajay Kumar Mishra from the Africa. Then again main video and Nishikant Vase. So here more than 30 subscription which are received by each lecture are considered here in the review of the subscriptions. Then the overall review of the channel with respect to the lectures delivered, other videos generated, then total number of views, watch time hours and the subscribers are given here. So here the one lecture was delivered by the Ajay Kumar Mishra from the Africa, having 580 views, 47 watch time hours and received 32 subscribers. Then Akash Gautam has delivered 2 lectures having 432 views, 24 watch hours and 3 subscribers. Then Amishi Arora from Nagpur delivered 1 lecture having the 952 views, 81 watch time hours and contributed in 17 subscribers. Then Amit Ballani, who has delivered 3 lectures, 687 views to these 3 lectures, 58 watch time hours and received 9 subscribers. Then the most prominent, that is the 2 lectures were delivered by Ashwini Pokmare, having 896 views, 36 watch time hours and received 12 subscribers. Then one lecture which was delivered by Dr. Avinash Adesar from Pune, having 48 watch time hours and 1 subscription. Then the 4 lectures were delivered by Dr. Deepak Koche, who is one of the founder members, and 11 other videos like the introduction, valedictory, then different remarks, and receives total 2606 with the 70 watch hours and contributed 49 subscribers. Then Devi Chinmay from Chennai delivered 2 lectures having 539 views, 33 watch time hours and 17 subscribers. Then the lecture delivered by Dinesh Shirodkar sir, who is IFS and career opportunities in Forest Department, has delivered and given the information having 570 views, 22 watch hours and 12 subscribers were received by the channel. Then Deepa Chavan have delivered 3 lectures with the 552 views, 15 watch hours and 6 subscribers. Then G. Ganga, one of the life members of the Botany for You, has delivered 5 lectures which include 4 lectures and 1 video on the vote of thanks, which received 378 views, 14 hours of watch and 4 subscribers were received by the channel through her contribution. Then the lecture delivered by Himanshu Jaiswal, single lecture which receives the 844 views, 45 hours of watch and 29 subscribers. Then I. Rachana Kumari from Hyderabad, who is also one of the life member of Botany for You, she delivered 2 lectures having 494 views with the 42 watch hours and receives 9 subscribers. The international webinar day 1, which include the lectures by Surendra Singh, from Jabalpur, then Dr. Greg Rackets from Australia, and Dr. C.N. Khobragadesar from Nanded. They have delivered one lecture each, having total 1071 views and 172 watch hours, with 33 subscribers were received through this first day of the international webinar. On second day of the international webinar, which includes the speaker, that is Professor Daniel sir from Vadodara, Gujarat, then Dr. Jitendra Gaikwad from Germany, and the third one, that is the Professor Laszlo Shabado from the Hungary. And this second day lectures received 1025 views with more than 200 watch time hours, and also contributed 21 subscribers in the YouTube channel. Then the prominent one, that is the Kiran Randive, who has delivered the one lecture but having more than 2490 views with 115 watch time hours and contributed 111 subscribers in the YouTube channel. Then Kiruba Paldas, she has delivered one lecture having 438 views, 32 watch time hours and 13 subscribers. Then the most important, that is the lecture which was delivered by Mohan Hardas in career opportunities in the banking, and this lecture was viewed more than 863, which contributed 74 watch time hours and 19 subscribers in the YouTube channel. Then the lecture which was delivered by Dr. Nikhat Naqvi from Nagpur, which was viewed 580 times, having 27 of watch time hours and 14 subscribers were received by the channel through this lecture. Then the lecture which was delivered by Nilesh Athavle from Akola, which was watched by more than 500 viewers, which contributed 17 watch time hours and 23 subscribers. Then the two lectures were delivered by Dr. Nishikant Vase from US, who is founder member of Botany for You, and other 7 videos. He has contributed in the form of 3600 views and 255 watch time hours, which includes the 65 subscribers added in the channel. Then the next one, that is Dr. Nitin Labhane from Mumbai, who is also one of the founder member, who has delivered 2 lectures, 6 other lectures, and receives 2181 views, 82 watch time hours and 34 subscribers were contributed in the YouTube channel. Then the 2 lectures were delivered by Dr. Nitin Vigne, who is psychologist in Nagpur, which received 1402 views, contributed 101 watch time hours and 28 subscribers in the YouTube channel. Then the most important, that is Jasmine Lena from Chennai. She has delivered 3 lectures having 632 views, but good number of the watch time hours with the 60 subscribers. Then the different lectures which were delivered by me, that is Dr. PITAMBAR HUMANE, as a founder Botany for You. I have delivered 26 lectures, then 22 other videos in organization of the different programs during last 1 year. That is total 48 videos are available on the channel, which receives 32,585 views to all these lectures and contributed the watch time hours as 2,260 hours, which receives 1,179 subscribers to the YouTube channel. Then one of the important one, that is the lecture or the message which was delivered by the president of Shivaji University, the Shivaji Education Society, and the president of Dharampeth Education Society, which received 475 views, 10 watch time hours and 9 subscribers. Again, in a principal's message, there was a 240 views, 6 watch time hours and 2 subscribers. The principals includes from the Bhavans College, Mumbai, Dharampeth MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Shivaji Science College, Amravati, and Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Then one video is available from the Pooja Sausagde, who is life member of Botany for You, which has 19 views, 1 hour watch time and contributed as a 3 subscribers. Then the important one, that is Rahul Patil, who is the best teacher in the life sciences and delivered 3 lectures through our YouTube channel, having more than 800 views, which are responsible to contribute as a 66 watch time hours and 4 subscribers to the YouTube channel. Then the lecture delivered by Rosina Rana, the single lecture she has delivered and received more than 783 views, 49 watch time hours and received 18 subscribers to the YouTube channel. Then Rupali Sirsat, who is one of the life member, has delivered 1 vote of thanks lecture, which received 228 views, 6 hours of watch time and contributed as a 6 subscribers. Then the lecture which was delivered by Dr. Sanjay Jambulkar, who is senior scientist in BARC, Mumbai, and this lecture was very well viewed by the viewers and also supported. This lecture was viewed 282 hours and also this is responsible to contribute as a 159 subscribers. So this was a very much successful lecture which was organized through our YouTube channel. Then the lectures, that is 3 lectures, were delivered by Dr. Savita Mishra, who is principal in West Bengal. This receives 594 views, 30 watch time hours and 16 subscribers were contributed by her lectures in the YouTube channel. Then the lecture delivered by Shilananda Hivrale, that is 575 views, 27 watch time hours and 10 subscribers were added to the YouTube channel through this lecture. Then the lecture delivered by Mr. Shubham Rathod, who is life member of Botany for You, who delivered 3 lectures and having 3 other videos, that is total 6, which receives 975 views with 45 watch time hours and receives 22 subscribers by the YouTube channel. Then the lecture which was delivered by Mr. Siddesh Savardekar sir, who is IFS and working now in Mumbai. This lecture was viewed 793 times, which is responsible to contribute in 54 watch time hours and 26 subscribers were added through this lecture. Then the lecture which was delivered by my friend Mrs. Sujata Ali, which was viewed 525 times, which is responsible to contribute in the channel as 30 watch time hours and 14 subscribers. She is from the English and we are talking on communication skill. Then the lecture, that is 2 lectures and 6 other videos, that is total 8, were contributed by Dr. Tushar Wankhede, one of the founder members of Botany for You. These lectures received 2,349 views, 92 watch time hours and received 47 subscribers through his lectures and videos. Then Dr. Mrs. Ujjwala Lande from Akola, she is also a life member of Botany for You. She has delivered 4 lectures, 1 vote of thanks, that is 5 lectures or 5 videos, which received 391 views, 23 watch time hours and 10 subscribers were received through her lectures. Then the lectures, that is 2 lectures, were delivered by Yugal Railu, which received 467 views, 31 watch time hours and 9 subscribers were added through his lectures. Then through the channel pages, the YouTube channel received more than 1000 subscribers in the surfing. So this is an individual contribution in last 1 year, which is responsible for monetization of the channel. So friends, through this you will come to know the upcoming lectures which will be made available through our YouTube channel. As I have told you, 17 lectures on morphology and classification are available. Again, the lectures based upon the different families will be made available in the near future on the angiosperm taxonomy. Then MCQs in botany, now 6 lectures are available and rest of the lectures are soon made available through the YouTube channel. Again, the lectures on plant physiology, plant anatomy, then plant embryology, immunology, ecology and environment, cytology, genetics, molecular biology, biochemistry, researches in life sciences, career opportunities in life sciences, lectures from other life sciences subjects like the zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, etc. Then teaching skills and YouTubes for life sciences. Even the lectures based upon the different skills where also will be uploaded and in upcoming future also made available. Now the most important thing for the new peoples who are on the YouTube channel and want to monetize or want to grow their channel. So first of all, the most important is just not to open the YouTube channel. Instead of surf the YouTube and find out first of all the unique name or the title of your channel. This is most important because this is responsible to create the brand on the YouTube. So this is very important. Then with respect to the aim of creation of the YouTube channel, your videos should be quality. So there must be the quality content in every video. Then there is need of the frequent upload of the videos or the lectures. Minimum 2 lectures must be uploaded on the YouTube channel per week. Then need based lectures or the videos that is useful to the viewers. This is very important, because if the videos are not useful to the viewers, then no one will watch this, and hence the need based means according to the need of the viewers or the subscribers is important. Then most important thing for the viral videos, and that is a thumbnails. So go through the different thumbnails which are available on the YouTube channel with respect to the different titles. So try to prepare the attractive thumbnails with respect to your content, but not the misleading one. This is very important. If anyone watch your video and if it is not relevant to that of the thumbnail, then no one will be respond in the upcoming video, and hence thumbnails are most important thing, but it should be the relevant to the videos. Then face videos, that everyone must know you through your YouTube channel. So instead of making the off face videos, you have to show your face in some videos also for identity of you as a person, as a creator of the YouTube channel. Then the tags in the videos for the searches. On the basis of the tags, the videos are searched on the YouTube channel, and this is very important. There are many videos available on the YouTube channel created by the different YouTubers. So you can watch that one to prepare or to create the tags to your video. Then subscriptions, this is very much important. Your subscription must be from your title of the YouTube channel as well as the content of the YouTube channel, so that if you are providing a quality material through your YouTube channel, relevant material, need based material, then automatically your subscription will be increased. Then watch time hours, that I told you there is need of the 1000 minimum subscription and 4000 watch hours for the monetization of the YouTube channel. So we can make the separate videos how to cross this 1000 subscription and 4000 watch hours also. Then impressions, this is completely dependent upon the YouTube channel performance in day by day condition. So according to it, the CTR, that is the click through rate, that is to be identified. Then expertise in recording and editing the videos, this is also one of the most important factor if you are going to upload or create a YouTube channel and upload the videos. So first of all, we have to learn about the different softwares which are available in the market, free or the paid ones. Even how to handle these softwares, there are many videos available on the YouTube channel that you can go through and learn at home. Then must keep in mind that the practice makes man perfect. So that if you continuously hard work on a particular topic, then definitely the success is yours. So I am hopeful that all these tips and the tricks in preparation and the success of the YouTube channel will be helpful to the new YouTube creators also. And also to those one, this lecture, that is annual review, is also helpful to know the contribution of different speakers from India and abroad in the success of our YouTube channel Botany for You. So thank you very much for listening this complete lecture on the annual review or success story of Botany for You, as well as tips and tricks for the YouTubes. So if you like this video, then kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also press bell icon for the alerts of every lecture to be uploaded on Life Science Titles. Thanks a lot once again.